Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of economics of class 9. The title of the chapter is People as Resource. In the previous video, we have discussed investment in human capital, investment in education and health, economic activities by men and women. And types of three types of sector: primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, and types of economic activity: market activity and non-market activity. In this video, we are going to discuss education and skill, determinant of earning. Education and skill are the major determinant of earning of any individual in the market. A majority of women have meager education and low skill compared to men. Most women work in primary sector, which lacks job security, legal protection, and provides irregular and low income. There is also absence of basic facilities like maternity leave, child care leave, and other social security system. On the other hand, women with high education and skill are paid equally as men. Among the organized sector, teaching and media attract the women most. Quality of population. Quality of population is the overall qualitative functioning of population that signifies its social, economic, and cultural growth and output. Education and health are the most important factors affecting quality of population. Education. Education opens new horizons, develops life values, and gives rise to new aspirations. It increases the national income as well as cultural richness and efficiency of governance. Vocational education has been developed to provide skill based education which leads to ready employment. Education scenario in India. There is provisions made for providing universal access, retention and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. Special schools called as Navodaya Vidyalaya have been established in each district. Although government expenditure on education has increased enormously in the last few years, there are still many disparities in literacy. Female literacy remains much lower than male literacy all over India. Literacy among males is nearly 16.6% higher than female, and it is also about 16.1% higher in urban areas as compared to rural areas. There is also wide variations in literacy rates from one region of the country to another region. For example, there is about 94% literacy in Kerala, but only 62% in Bihar. This is low compared to Kerala. Government steps to provide education to all. Government has taken many steps towards providing elementary education to all. Some important steps are: the primary school system has extended to over 7.68 lakhs in 2004 and 5 in India. Government's initiative of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan aims at providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Midday meal schemes has been Midday meal scheme has been implemented to encourage attendance and retention of school children and improve their nutritional status. These strategies focuses on increasing access, quality, adoption of states specific curriculum modification, vocationalization and networking on the use of information technology, distance education as well as convergence of formal, non-formal, distance and IT education institutions. Health. Proper healthcare helps a person to realize his potential and ability to fight illness. So, the government's national policy on health aims at improving the access to healthcare, family welfare, and nutritional services. During the last 50 years, India has built up a vast healthcare manpower and infrastructure. The results are: life expectancy has increased to over 68.3 years in the year 2014. Infant mortality rate has come down from 147 in the year 1951 to 37 in the year 2015. Crude birth rate has dropped to 20.8 and crude death rate to 6.5 within the same duration of time. In the next video, we will discuss about unemployment and nature of unemployment types, etc.